In this video, you'll learn how to obtain Notion Premium. By following these steps, you will upgrade your account and gain access to advanced features that enhance your productivity and collaboration within Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. This is the official platform where you can manage your account and access various settings. After the page loads, you will be presented with the main interface of Notion. Next, locate and click on the free plan one member option. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. By selecting this option, you will be able to view the current plan associated with your account and explore available upgrades. After that, proceed to click on Settings. This option is generally found in the sidebar menu. Once you click on it, a new settings panel will appear, allowing you to manage your account preferences and subscription details. Now click on Upgrade Plan. This option will direct you to the upgrade options available for your Notion account. You will see various tiers of service, each offering different features and pricing structures. Continue by selecting Plus. This plan is designed for individual users who need additional functionality beyond the free version. Clicking this will provide you with more details about what the Plus plan includes. Following this, you will see an option for business. This plan is targeted at teams and organizations that require collaboration features. Click on this to learn more about its advantages and pricing. Next, you will find an option for enterprise. This plan is ideal for larger organizations that need customized solutions. Selecting this option will give you insights into enterprise level features and costs. Then click on Upgrade. This action will initiate the process of upgrading your current plan to the selected tier. You should see a confirmation screen detailing your choice and the associated costs. Following this, you will notice a message indicating that your Notion subscription will auto-renew each month at the specified price per seat, plus applicable taxes. It is important to note that you can cancel via the billing tab before renewal to avoid any future charges. Next, choose between pay monthly or pay annually. Selecting either option will determine your billing cycle. Monthly payments will be billed each month, while annual payments typically offer a discount. Finally, click on Upgrade to Plus if that was your selected plan. This will finalize your upgrade process. Once this is completed, you should receive a confirmation of your new subscription status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.